trick, too.
Oh, those extract goons shot us with darts, stuffed us in the trailer, and rolled us into a ditch. And you know what's worse?